Hi, I've got another unboxing to do. As you can see, it's well, let's take it out of the box. Lovely polystyrene. Yep, instructions. Let's take it out of the box. Got rubber feet. And a bag of guards. Yeah. Seems to sit rather well. As you can see, it's a bench grinder. I believe the feet are removable so you can screw it straight to your bench. My previous one is only 150 watts and it's only about 4 or 5 years old. But the thing is, I don't use it very often and I think it should have lasted a damn sight longer than that. So I thought I'd try this one. It came from eBay. It's not a £20 one like you can get, and like my other one was. Nope, this one's really expensive, £33. I suppose really I should go and fit it to where it's going and fit the safety shields. You can join me again shortly. Well, here we are. It's all secured down. But first things first, I don't know about you, but I've only got 2 eyes. So I'm actually wearing goggles. Let's switch the mains on. Nothing happens because I've got to do the big red switch here. Let's Yeah. Seems reasonable. It's obviously making some noise because the wire brush is catching on the guard. I'll worry about that shortly. I also brought down my decibel meter. Let's switch her on and listen to how loud it is. 103 decibels. But then again, it is right next to it. Let's 102 decibels. Fairly loud. As usual, if you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee and thank you for watching.